Eby'emishuuburo ahansharo ya Katuna bikagaruka nyuma kumara imyaka 4 obu government ya Rwanda yasharamu kukinga ensharo zayo na Uganda omu kwezi kwa kabiri omwaka gw'2019. Aha birabiri by'okwezi kwa mukaaga omwaka gw'2022 niho government ya Rwanda yikiriza abantu bayo kutaha mu Uganda hatiine kiri kubakwata mukono. Emishuuburo aho niho yatandikire kugaruka mu buteeka arikugambaho n'omushaki wita hasimu Mutebi omuhezi w'orukujunaniza bw'enshonga z'abantu boona ha kitongole kya URA atushoborire ati
by the time we closed we were collecting about 1 billion and now when we opened in 2022 we were collecting 2.7 billion. You look at that magnitude, it simply shows you that we are losing enormous revenue because of its closure. As I speak now, by 2023, which is last year, we managed to get 3.8 billion. That is an increment of 42. Now this shows you the strategic importance of this border post between the countries that are using it mostly, that is Uganda, Rwanda and Burundi, because sometimes it's a transit route.
Mutebi ashoborire ngo aho barinohoreka ngo nibabasa kurara bagira eby'emishuuburo ebirikwesiimisa omu bwire bw'omumisho kwakuba hatiine eki bateganise.
By simply looking at the data, if I collected 2.7 billion and I'm also seeing now in 2023 I'm seeing 3.8 billion, already the trend is giving us a positive trend. And as long as we continue the cooperation between countries in terms of committing to facilitating trade amongst ourselves, then we are seeing a positive trajectory in terms of revenue collection from that border post.
Christmas byarugaba tabonekera ka Katuna nawe yerekero kwesiima gumizengo emishoro y'ibari kutunga ku rugo emishuuburo ahansharo nayo itandikire kweyongera
n'amasuku ugu mwaka kugoza kuba business kwiyogumizamo batacinge border abanyarwanda bakaguma barija nitwa abanyarwanda baratwara ibintu byabo muri Rwanda na Rwanda baraleta twina amasukungu umushoro gurasa kweyongera rero ibintu bibeje
byarugaba nagira n'ubuhunga bwa Uganda ubwo hatano bugurwa munongo mu ihangari ya Rwanda.
Posho is also part of businesses in Katuna, and of course it is contributing some because the Rwandese they use it to come and buy posho from here.
Abanyarwanda barija baguraguremo nubwo amafaranga bagwire cyonga barija batwagiremo mazima hinecha hindukireho
kuturebera Rwanda hatu bayigura munonga twashemerwa munonga aho kwabantu aba Uganda n'abarwanda nibatayiza kimwe bintu munonga nibaguza nitwa bari kuvunjura ntuvunjura je twindeshonga munonga.
Ubwo abashobozi barukwesiima abarukurebuze by'entunguka y'ebyangana bagira ngo amahanga agabira kugumiza munenko atanisa nungi eby'emishuuburo nibiza kukura gashakwa Job namanya.